Last episode, our agent answered a real ticket like this. Calm, professional, sounding exactly like company policy. Checking the delivery log for a specific alias requires access to account level data that I'm not able to pull up directly as a support agent. Here is the unsettling part. That was not policy. The agent just could not see the account. It was blind and it dressed the blindness up as a rule. The fix is not a smarter model, it is a tool surface. Today, 56% becomes 68 and every ticket gets cheaper. Welcome back. Last episode, V0 scored 56% because it answered account questions with no access to accounts. 6.7 million downloads a week and almost none survive production. Today we bolt the first plank across that chasm. The plan: give the agent eyes, 4 read-only account tools. Then the scorecard tells us what that one layer was worth. Everything I type is on the episode 3 branch. Clone it and run it yourself. The SDK moves fast. Trust the repo, not my screen. First principle of the episode: the model never reads your code. When it decides what to call, it sees 3 things: the tool's name, its description, its input schema. So a description is not documentation, it is a prompt written for the exact moment the model chooses. Write it like a briefing for a new hire: what it returns, when to reach for it, what it will never give you. A vague description does not make the tool weaker, it makes the model dumber. We will measure that before this episode ends. Second principle: a tool is real power you hand to something that guesses. So scope is your security boundary. Least privilege here is not politeness, it is architecture. Read only by promise means a prompt that says please do not write. Read only by construction means writes do not exist on the surface at all. Same for other people's data. Ask about an account that is not the customer's and the tool says not yours and nothing else. No owner, no counts, not even whether it exists. If the model gets confused or tricked, the worst it can do is read the customer's own data. That is the whole design. Now the build: 4 tools, all read only. Look up the account, check one thing on it. List everything on it. Read the recent activity log. Here is the first one. Do not read the code, read the description. It is all the model reads. It says what comes back, that it is read only and one standing order. Call this first whenever a ticket is about an account. Even the miss is useful. No account exists is an answer the model can act on, not a crash. The second tool, and the guard that matters. It checks one detail on an account, but only for the customer who wrote in. Ask about someone else's and it comes back not yours, no owner, no counts, not even that it exists. 2 layers. The data layer never hands the record over and the reply tells the model how to behave with the refusal. And here is read only by construction. The database key could write. So this one small file is the wall. It exports 4 read queries and nothing else. No other file touches the database directly. Auditing the agent's write access means reading one file. One production note: the evals run on fixed sample data. Through these same 4 functions, identical behavior, the agent cannot tell. That is the surface. Same model, same loop as V0. All that changed is what the agent can see and touch, plus a system prompt that now carries the support policy. Quick map, because MCP is carrying a lot of hype right now. Wiring the 4 tools in is one call. They become an in-process server, plain TypeScript functions inside the agent's own process. No Cypress, no network. V1 mounts it beside the docs server, behind an explicit allow list. The agent can call these tools and nothing else. Keep half an eye on that always load line. It looks like boilerplate. It is the scar tissue of episode 4. External MCP servers plug into the exact same slot, someone else's server, same protocol. Our rule: consume, don't build. If a vendor ships a server, mount it. For your own logic, in-process tools are simpler and easier to test. The mistake beat. The classic tool design failure is not a missing tool. It is a description that says nothing. Watch. I keep all 4 tools. I change every description to 2 words. Gets data. The type checker is happy. The demo still works. But the model is guessing at the exact moment it should be sure. So watch which tickets flip when the descriptions do their job. Task 9. A customer says an address they set up stopped getting mail. V1 checks the account 5 steps and finds that address never existed. They had mistyped 1 letter. V0 had just sent them through generic troubleshooting. Task 8. A customer mid-interview missing a recruiter's emails. V1 reads the activity log, sees 2 deliveries failed on our side and owns it. Same model every time. The only difference is a surface that says where to look and says it first. That always call this first is 1 sentence in 1 description. Right now it beats any prompt tuning we have tried. The scorecard, same 25 tasks, graded the same way. Watch them land 1 at a time. Task success rate 56% up to 68. Unrecoverable errors still 0. Median cost per task 2.5 cents down to 2.3. Human interventions per 10 tasks 6.0 down to 4.4. 12 points of success at lower cost. Grounded answers finish in fewer turns, so better came out cheaper. And an agent that can actually check stops escalating things it should just answer, so interventions fell too. The full run 61 cents down from 65. Layer 1 of the bridge measured. Recap. The model sees names, descriptions and schemas, nothing else. So descriptions are context engineering written for the moment of decision. Scope is a security boundary and it lives in code. Read only by construction, not yours and nothing else. Consume MCP servers. Write in-process tools for your own logic. We changed 1 layer and the number moved 56 to 68 at lower cost. But how do I know it moved? Because I hand graded 25 replies. Again, that does not scale and it misses a whole class of bugs. Next episode, the eval harness, the one where it catches a real bug on camera. Run V1 yourself before you get there. See you.